Hi guys, welcome back to Techie. Today we are going to see about EdrawMax tool, a powerful tool to create various diagrams such as flowchart, flow plan, electrical plans, outline chart, mind map, network diagrams, and many more. Uh, Without wasting much time, we'll directly delve into the demo. The one thing I want to focus about ETA Max tool is it has integrated AI into its tool. That is wonderful feature which will be helpful for every any team to create a diagram in seconds. I'll just go through the tool. By the way, how you can get this tool is you can download or like there is some of the pricing plans for this tool. Anyway, you can freely download this tool and get hands on it. I have already downloaded this application and I have installed in my PC. Once you open that EdrawMax tool, this is the interface you will be going to see in this tool. And there are many, as I told, you can create various diagrams such as network diagrams, flowchart, mind map, and so many diagrams are available here. And you have so many templates available. Default. You can take the template and modify as per your target as per your design architecture. You can completely do it with this tool. So how you can create the new diagram is just you can just create. If I will just show the blank flowchart over here. I'm creating the blank flowchart. So suppose start and you can pro whatever you want the whatever the flow chart you can completely you can create new you can get the symbols copy paste and you can add more symbols or this Max tool. This is wonderful, right? In the one tool you have so many options like flowchart, network diagrams, and online chart. There's so many other mind maps, everything is there. The one thing I liked about this tool is the new feature about this tool, AI tool which is integrated into this tool. So how it will be helpful? Suppose I want to generate the incident incident handling and response in the whenever any cybersecurity incident is reported action plan. So just I will process, incident process of incident response, handling process, handling process, handling process, process, never any cyber security incident is reported through SIM. Let us say SIM or SOC. SIM is nothing but centralized log management, security information event management. So just I'm generating. This flowchart is related to cybersecurity domain. Similarly, you can generate your own domain, whatever things, flowchart or anything. If you want, you can write it, you can copy paste your code base also here and create a sequential diagrams over here. And you can create a flow charts of any text and mind maps you can create so many things. So here, this incident handling process it prioritizes initial triage, log correlation, sim validation, IOC, enrichment with engine. So this is the four diagrams it is created for us. Let us say I'll choose this one. How it is going to look. See. without much pain, without drag and drop, and even without drag and drop, it has created the wonderful flow chart for us. So I can even edit this text and add more symbols over here. Add more symbols over here. If I want continue this flowchart over here, I can insert in middle. So this tool helpful for us to generate an initial template and modify according to our wish. I think this is the best tool. Even we can create, as I told, network diagrams, uh, and so many are there. So many templates are available. I think it is a very good tool which will be useful for us. I got the ads on this recently. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.